Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 BMW 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, navigation system, power tailgate, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.